Fix status_access_violation error in Microsoft Edge. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Refresh the site. If you get an error, it could be due to a temporary glitch that goes away after you restart your tab, especially if it happens for the first time. Method 2. Update Microsoft Edge. Method 3. Try another site. There are times when an error is caused by a problem with a specific web page rather than a browser-related issue. Method 4. Disable experimental features. Edge users who are knowledgeable in the browser's operation may experiment with various experimental features to improve its capabilities. Next to each experimental feature, select Disable from the drop-down menu. Restart your browser after disabling the experimental features to ensure the changes take effect. Method 5. Disable extensions. You may have already disabled ad blockers, but it is also critical to disable any other JavaScript extensions that may interfere with the source code of the website. To determine which extension is causing the problem, disable them one by one.